Hello everyone, myself Arvind Ar, and today we have to discuss the concept of instantaneous current in some previous year question in JEE Mains on instantaneous current. So let me start. The concept is instantaneous current is rate of flow of charge through any cross section of conductor. What is rate of flow of charge through any cross section of conductor is called instantaneous current, and we write it is what I is equal to, so the concept is I is equal to dq by dt. I is equal to dq upon dt. This is the concept of instantaneous current flowing through a conductor. That is when charge changes with time, the value of charge changes with time, then current is called instantaneous current. And the unit of instantaneous current is similar, same as current. So the charge of unit of charge is coulomb and unit of time is second. So coulomb per second or called as ampere. This is the basic concept on which 3 to 4 questions are asked in JEE Mains in previous year questions in previous years. So now the concept is that if you have to given the value of charge, then on differentiating we have to calculate the current. But if you have to given the current as a function of time, current is given to you as a function of time, then we solve, we have to calculate it is dq by dt. So the charge is dq by dt is equal to I dt. I equal to dq by dt is equal to I dt. This is the function of current in form of time, and we get the value of charge on integrating both sides of the equation. So this is integration of dq is equal to integration of I dt. And now by putting the suitable limit, we have to calculate the value of charge. This will be the concept. Again, we repeat, the instantaneous current is I equal to dq by dt. If charge is the function of time, so we have to calculate I equal to dq by dt, we calculate the current. But if the current is given as a function of time and you have asked in the question, you have to calculate the charge. So integration of dq equal to I dt, and we get the charge q is equal to integration of I dt. By putting suitable limit, we have to calculate the value of charge in this question. Okay, clear hai? Question number 1 is current passing through a wire as a function of time is given as I of t equal to 0.02 t plus 0.01 ampere. The charge that will flow through the wire from t equal to 1 second to t equal to 2 second is. So the concept is I, you have to given what is I is equal to dq by dt. So we have to calculate I is equal to dq by dt, and you have to given that equation of current. So the value of charge is given by dq is equal to I dt. dq is what? dq is equal to I dt. Now we have to put the value of q, sorry, we have to put value of I in the given equation, which is 0.02, which is 0.02 t plus 0.01 ampere multiplied by dt. So on calculating the amount of charge, we have to on integrating both the side of the given equation. So it is integration of dq is equal to integration of whole this function 0.02 t plus 0.01 or whole dt. Now here we have to put the limit, and the limit is given by 0 to q. Limit is what? 0 to q, and this limit is 1 to 2. 1 to 2. So what is the integration of dq? integration of dq is q, and we have to put here limit which is 0 to q. And now here we have to separate both the term before on integrating. So it is 0.02 t and into dt, and the limit is 1 to 2, plus second term is integration of 0.01 dt, and again we have to put the limit which is 1 to 2. Now we discuss it is, and integration of we have to put limit, upper limit minus lower limit. So it is q minus 0. This will be the upper limit minus lower limit is equal to integration of 0.02 t dt. So here 0.02 is a constant term, and we have to integrate only t dt, t dt, and here limit is 1 to 2, plus 0.01 is constant, 0.01 is constant, and integration of dt, and by putting the limit it is 1 to 2. Clear hai? So now we get q minus 0 is q is equal to 0.02 into what is the integration of t dt? So the answer is t square by 2. Answer is what? T square by 2, and the limit is 1 to 2, plus 0.01 is a constant term, 0.01, and integration of dt is t, and again we have to put the limit which is 1 to 2. Clear? Now again on solving the term, we get on solving this term, this will be clear to you, and we have to solve the term. So we get, after solving we have to get, we write it is in upward direction. So it will be, it comes out 0 point, it comes out 0 point, q is equal to what? Q is equal to, we get q is equal to what it is, 0.02 by 2. Okay, by 2, and here limit is t square, limit will be 1 to 2. This will be the limit which is 1 to 2, plus 0.01, this is 0.01, and here we have to put the limit which is 2 minus 1. Clear it is? So on solving 2, on cancel it is q is equal to 0.01, and we have to put here limit, upper limit minus lower limit, that is 2 square minus 1 square. So we find it is 4 minus 1. Okay, plus 0.01 into 1. The value is given by q is equal to, value is given by q is equal to 0.01, and then it is 2 square 4 minus 1 plus 0.01. Okay, and now solving this term we get the final answer. So on solving the term we get it is, when we solve this term we get it is q is equal to, what it is, q is equal to, q is equal to 0.01 into 3 plus 0.01, and on multiplying both the term we get q is equal to 0.03 plus 0.01. So the value of charge q it is 0.04 Coulomb. This will be your final answer of JEE Mains 2025 question. So the final answer you get 0.04. Option number D is correct. Now we have to try next such type of question. Question is the current in a conductor is expressed as function of time. So the value of current is I equal to 3t square. I is equal to what? I is equal to 3t square plus 4t cube. You have to calculate I in ampere and T in second. The amount of electric charge that flow through a section of conductor during T equal to 1 second to 2 seconds. So again, the same concept is we know that electric current is rate of flow of charge. So I is equal to dq by dt. I is equal to what? dq by dt. Here we know that the value of charge dq is equal to I dt, and put the value of I from the given questions. So it is dq is equal to I dt, and I is what? 3t square. I is 3t square plus 4t cube dt. Now, here we have to get the equation of charge, and on integrating both sides, we get the final answer. So, integration of charge dq is equal to integration of 3t square, integration of term 3t square, okay, 3t square, it will be integration of the term, this is called as 3. So we get it is okay. Now we solve it is this will be the term 3. This is called term 3. So we get it is 3 square. Okay. What is this? This will be the 3 square. So this term is okay. We solve before we solving this term is 3. So integration is you get the value integration of on integrating both sides. So integration of 3t square 3t square dt plus integration of 4t cube dt. Okay, and the limit is 1 to 2. So here value of charge is 0 to q, and this will be limit is 1 to 2 on separating the term of integration 1 to 2. And what is the integration of dq? So integration of dq is q, and here limit is 0 to q. Limit is what? 0 to q is equal to, here 3 is a constant term, and integration of t square is what? T cube by 3. So this will be t cube by 3, and the value of limit is 1 to 2. Okay, plus 4 is again constant term, and integration of t cube. So we get t to the power 4 divided by 4, and limit is again 1 to 2. Here on solving this term, we get this will be 3. So we cancel with this 3 and 3, and also cancel the 4 with this 4. So we get finally here we have to put the value of charge. So the question is upper limit minus lower limit q minus 0. We had the put the value of charge is equal to, now t cube, this will be the t cube, and limit is what? Limit is 1 to 2. The limit is 1 to 2 plus here we get t to the power 4, and again limit is 1 to 2. What is the limit? 1 to 2. Okay. So q minus 0, we get it is q. It is equal to upper limit, that is 2 cube. Upper limit 2 cube minus lower limit 1 cube. Upper limit minus lower limit, so it is 1 cube. This will be 2 cube. Plus, here we get plus. Again, we have to put the upper limit and lower limit. So we get it is 2 to the power 4 minus 1 to the power 4. And this term, we finally get the answer. Q is equal to 2 cube 8 and 1 cube is 1. So 8 minus 1 plus 2 to the power 4. So it is 16 minus 1. And finally, it is q equal to 7 plus 15. So final answer is the value of charge is what? 22 coulomb. This is the value of charge. So this is also another PYQ of JEE exam. Now next question is again similar type of question. You have to given the electric current through a wire vary with a time as I is equal to, you have to given the value of current in this situation, and which is I equal to I naught plus beta t. I equal to I naught plus beta t. And the I naught is 20 and beta is 3 ampere per second. You have to given in the question. So I equal to I naught. I naught is what? I naught is 20 plus what is beta? And beta you have to give in 3. So this is 3t. This will be your equation. And asked in the question the amount of electric charge crossed through a section of wire in 20 seconds. So again same question is I equal to, we know that the concept is I is equal to what? dq by dt. I is equal to dq by dt. And here we have to calculate the value. We want to calculate the value of charge. So we write it is charge dq is equal to I dt. Okay. Now you have to given the equation of electric current. So on integrating both the side, we calculate the amount of charge. So integration of dq is equal to integration of I. I is what? 20 plus 3t dt. 20 plus this is 3t and dt. Now we have to put the limit. So you have to calculate the charge in wire in 20 seconds. 20 seconds. So when time t is equal to 0, charge is also 0. When charge is q, then time is 20 seconds. Time is what? 20 seconds. Now on integrating, the integration of dq is q. And we have to put the limit. It will be 0 to q. And on integrating the second term, so we separating the term integration of 20 dt plus integration of, and limit is 0 to 20. Integration is what? 0 to 20 plus integration of 3t dt. Integration of 3t dt, and again we have to put the limit 0 to 20. Now by putting the limit, the formula is upper limit minus lower limit. So q minus 0. So we get q minus 0 and it is equal to 20 is constant. So we write 20 will be the constant and integration of dt is t. What is the integration of dt? It is t. And limit is 0 to 20 plus 3 is constant and integration of t is what? It will be the t square by 2. T square by 2. And limit is 0 to 20. Now we have to put the value of limit. So it is q is equal to 20 and we put the limit. So formula is upper limit minus lower limit, which is 20 minus 0. This will be the upper limit minus lower limit plus 3 by 2. We have to taken it is a constant, है ना. सेकेंड टर्म से हमने 2 को कांस्टेंट लिखा and again we have to put the limit. So it will be 20 square. Limit is what? 20 square minus 0 square. Then on solving it is, we get 20 minus 0, so it is 20 and 20 into 20, so we get it is 400. This will be the charge plus 3 by 2 and on solving second term we get 20 square minus 0 square. So again 20 square is 400. We get it is what? It will be the 400. And now on cancel the term we get on cancel the term we get it is 2 से cancel किया 400 को, so it will be the 200. It will be what? 200 and 200 multiplied by 3, so we get it is 400 plus, it will be the 400 plus 200 into 3, it is 600. The final answer is we get 1000 coulomb. So this will be the answer. It is 1000 coulomb. 1000 coulomb is the charge flowing through the wire. So option number C is correct. Now, next question on the same concept is the charge flowing in conductor changes with time. It is a very good type question. बहुत अच्छा question है ये. Where q of t is alpha t minus beta t square plus gamma t cube. Where alpha, beta and gamma are constant. So the minimum value of current is, you have to calculate the what is the minimum value of current. So first of all, charge is a function of time is given into the question. क्या given है आपको? Charge given है and charge is the function of time. So which is alpha t minus beta t square, alpha t minus beta t square plus gamma t cube. It will be the gamma t cube. And we know alpha, beta and gamma is constant and minimum value of current. So first of all, we have to calculate the current, and current is what? I is equal to dq by dt. This will be the current. क्या? I is equal to dq by dt. And here we have to put the value of q from the given equation. So it is d by dt of q. And what is q? Q is alpha t minus beta t square plus gamma t cube plus it is gamma t cube. Okay. So we calculating the current, it is I is equal to, on differentiating dy dt of first term. So it is dy dt of first term and first term is what? Alpha t. Alpha t minus dy dt of second term, so it is d upon dt. D upon dt of second term is beta t square. This will be the second term plus dy dt of third term. So third term is d upon dt of gamma t cube. Gamma t cube. Okay. Now here we differentiating the term. So I is equal to, here alpha is a constant and differentiating of t is 1. dy dt of t is 1 minus beta is a constant and differentiation of t square is what? 2t plus again gamma is a constant term and differentiating of t cube, it is 3t square. So overall we get the final equation of current. I is equal to alpha minus 2 beta t, alpha minus 2 beta t plus 3 gamma t square. This is the equation number first. Okay. Now we have to calculate the minimum value of current. So this will be the equation of current. And you have to calculate the minimum value of current. Then be again differentiating the term. Again differentiating the term. So we get I dash, and I dash is equal to what? I dash equal to di upon dt. I dash is what? I dash equal to di upon dt. This is the first order differentiation of current. This will be the first order differentiation of current. Now we have to put the value of current here. So it will be d upon dt of I. D upon dt of I. I मतलब alpha minus 2 beta t, alpha minus 2 beta t plus 3 gamma t square. This will be the alpha, sorry, I dash. So again we get the value of I dash. I dash is equal to dy dt of first term alpha, dy dt of term what? Alpha minus dy dt of second term, that is second term is what? 2 beta t. This is 2 beta t plus dy dt of third term, which is 3 gamma t square. क्लियर है? ओके. नाउ आप इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. सो इट इज आई डैश इज इक्वल टू dy dt of alpha is 0 because alpha is a constant minus 2 beta, this is a constant term, and differentiation of t is 1 plus 3 gamma is a constant term and differentiation of t square is 2t. एंड जो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डिफरेंशिएशन है मैक्सिमम मिनिमा का कंसेप्ट क्या बोलता है कि फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डिफरेंशिएशन दैट इज आई डैश को आपको क्या करना है, यहाँ पे जीरो पुट करना है. सो आई डैश इज इक्वल टू जीरो, इट इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2 बीटा, इट इज माइनस 2 बीटा प्लस 6 गामा टी. ओके, 6 गामा टी. इस टर्म को हम यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं. सो माइनस 2 बीटा को आप जीरो के इधर ट्रांसफर करेंगे. सो इट विल बी 2 बीटा, इट इज 2 बीटा इज इक्वल टू 6 गामा टी. So what will be the value of t? The value of t is 2 beta divided by 6 gamma. 2 beta divided by 6 gamma. And on simplifying, we get it is 2 3 ja 6. So the value of time t equal to beta by 3 gamma. It is beta by 3 gamma. Okay, this will be the value of time for which we get the minimum value of current. Now जो आपकी इक्वेशन आई थी करंट की, इतना क्लियर है क्या? ये क्लियर है आपको? जो इक्वेशन है करंट की आपकी, उसको हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पे करंट की इक्वेशन में t की वैल्यू, वी हैव टू पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ t इन इक्वेशन ऑफ करंट. ओके, वी हैव टू पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ t इन इक्वेशन ऑफ करंट. तो जो करंट की आपके पास इक्वेशन है, इसमें हम t की वैल्यू को वापस से पुट करते हैं. देन वी गेट I इक्वल टू अल्फा minus 2 beta, alpha minus 2 beta into t. And what is t? बीटा डिवाइडेड बाय 3 gamma, this is the value of t, plus 3 gamma, this is 3 gamma, and what is the value of t square? So t square is beta divided by 3 gamma whole square. Beta divided by 3 gamma whole square. And we get it is I equal to alpha minus 2 beta square divided by 3 gamma plus 3 gamma. Second term is 3 gamma into beta square divided by 9 gamma square. Okay. Now you have to solve it is finally we get the answer. तो एक गामा से आपका एक गामा टर्म कैंसिल हो जाएगा एंड 3 बचे 3 3 3 जा 9, सो 3 टाइम ये कैंसिल कर दिया आपने. सो वी गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ करंट इज व्हाट, आई इज इक्वल टू अल्फा माइनस 2 बीटा स्क्वायर, अल्फा माइनस 2 बीटा स्क्वायर अपॉन 3 gamma plus this will be beta square divided by 3 gamma. ये क्लियर हुआ क्या? एंड देखो ये वाला जो टर्म है इसमें आपका -2 बीटा स्क्वायर है, दिस इज सिंगल बीटा स्क्वायर है, तो सिंपली आप इसको सेपरेट कर सकते हैं. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ करंट इज आई इक्वल टू अल्फा माइनस what is it is beta square upon 3 gamma, beta square upon 3 gamma. This will be your final answer. Okay, I equal to alpha upon beta square minus 3 gamma, so I equal to alpha minus beta square upon 3 gamma, that is option number C is correct. तो आपको ये लेक्चर समझ आया होगा जो हमने पीवाईक्यू सॉल्व किए हैं जेई के, है ना, ये आपने अच्छे से क्लियर समझे होंगे. तो अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.